Hello everyone, we are the OMIS and this is our 15th Arduino project, the Infrared Controlled LED Matrix. In this project, we use an IR remote to wirelessly control an LED 8-segment display showing digits from 0 to 9. Our group members are Lira Mark Christian, Tardio Mark Vincent, and me, Mojica Denver John. Together, we handle the wiring, programming, and testing of this IR-controlled segment project. An infrared-controlled LED matrix is a system where an IR remote sends signals to an IR receiver connected to Arduino. Based on the button pressed, the Arduino decodes the signal and lights up the correct segments to display numbers on the 8-segment LED display. To build this project, we use one Arduino Uno board, one IR receiver module, one IR remote control, one 8-segment LED display, 8 current limiting resistors, jumper wires, one breadboard, and a USB cable for programming. In our circuit, the IR receiver is connected to pin 11 of the Arduino. The 8 pins of the segment display are connected to digital pins 2 through 9, each through a resistor. The Arduino controls which segments light up depending on the number received from the IR remote. This is our source code. It defines the IR receiver, maps remote codes to numbers, and includes a function that lights up the correct combination of segments to show digits from 0 to 9. When we press number buttons on the remote, the Arduino decodes the signal and displays the corresponding digit. Here's a video of us wiring the Arduino and connecting the IR receiver. And here's the final output. And that's all. Thank you.